Hello, it's me Simran and welcome to the Blitz News channel. Let's talk about this big update. The wait for the long delayed Panchayat election 2021 is about to end in Madhya Pradesh. The Shivraj government has cleared the way for the Panchayat elections. The new delimitation of Panchayats has been cancelled. That is, in the Panchayats which have not been elected after the delimitation, the old system will remain in force and the reservation will also remain the same. Election Commission meeting is to be held today, and in such a situation it is expected that soon the date of elections and the code of conduct can be announced. In fact, the Shivraj government of the state has decided that the delimitation of such panchayats where elections have not been held for the last 1 year has been cancelled. For this, the government has issued notification of Madhya Pradesh Panchayat Raj and Village Swaraj Ordinance 2021. Under this, now the old system will be applicable in all the districts or the Gram Panchayats. The category for which the post is reserved will remain the same. However, this arrangement will not be applicable in those panchayats whose areas have been included in any urban area. Let us inform that in September 2019, the Kamal Nath government had implemented a new delimitation from the district to the village panchayats in the state, after which about 1200 new panchayats were formed and 102 gram panchayats were abolished, which was changed by the Shivraj government before the panchayat election have given. And after this decision, the way has been cleared for the panchayat election and the dates can be announced soon. It is expected that a decision can be taken on this by the end of November and the model code of conduct can be imposed in December. So that's it from us in this latest update. Thank you for your time.